I'm going to need your help for a second. What I need you to do is just write your name nice and big right across the middle of each of these cards. And it's important. I'll tell you why in a second. Okay. I'm exhausted. I've been spending every waking moment, and a lot of moments I should have been sleeping. I'm studying Dr. Sheldon Cooper's work on Einstein's theory of relativity as it relates to teleportation, wormholes, black holes, mind power, and optical physics. And I have to tell you, this science stuff is complicated. So I'm thinking, rather than discuss it, I'm going to demonstrate some of the things that I've learned. So the first thing that's important is that I want you to see that there's nothing in my pocket, okay? And I had Allison sign these cards because it's important that science experiments are done under test conditions. So here's the cards that we're going to use. We have the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 of hearts. So the experiment is basically this. The cards are going to teleport one at a time from my hand to my pocket. So right now the ace is here. In a second, it's going to be over here. So under the cover of darkness, the ace goes. So now I just have the 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. Now, for those of you that aren't that familiar with teleportation, basically here's what happens. The ace had to dematerialize into its atomic constituents when it was over here. Then it rematerialized over here in my previously to be shown empty pocket. I know. I'm thinking, as cool as that is, can you imagine when people can do this? I mean, let's say, for example, I'm the 2. I could be in Vegas 1 second, the next second I could be over here in, let's call it Hawaii. Aloha. We're going to do something entirely different with the 3. I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to trap it right here against my thigh, because then I could work it right through a wormhole in my pants. Now this just leaves me with the 4, the 5, and the 6. Now I'll be honest, it's a lot easier for me to find these wormholes when I'm wearing my silk loungewear. But hey, here's proof. You could find wormholes in wool. All right, starting to get interesting. We've got 3 down, 3 to go. Now I'm going to demonstrate optical physics, and there's a good chance I'm the only guy you'll ever meet that could demonstrate this. Because what I have to do is move my arm back and forth so fast, it just looks like it's moving super slow. That's what most people do. They tend not to believe me, which kind of ticks me off. But people start to believe once they see I just have the 5 and the 6 left. See, what they fail to realize is while they were sitting there thinking, yeah, right, this guy's full of they missed the moment when faster than the human eye can follow, I slipped the 4 into my pocket. Now I'm going to demonstrate telepathic teleportation, even though it wears me out. I have to concentrate, focus, visualize. Yes. And I send the 5. Now in this case, I didn't send the 5 to the right front pocket. I figured I'd send it to the left rear pocket because, hey, I've got a vivid imagination. Now when I clap, I send the 6 to a black hole somewhere in the universe that's gone forever but not forgotten. And I'll be honest, I sent the 6 by clapping because I figured, hey, when you get to witness teleportation, wormholes, black holes, mind power, and optical physics, you should clap. If not for me, certainly for Dr. Cooper and Dr. Einstein, because without those 2 guys, I wouldn't have been able to show you any of this. Thank you.